Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Standard 10 Geometry class. So children, in previous class, I had given you some homework. I hope you have done it. Children, homework compulsorily you have to do. Right? So actually that was end of our exercise 6.2. And before starting 6.3, let me introduce you with another concept of similarity of triangle. So let us see the criteria for similarity of triangles. So what was the general definition of similarity of two triangles? In the previous lesson, we stated that two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. So here in the adjacent two triangles are given, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and identical markings are made there. So from that we can say angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, and AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to CA upon FD. If the given triangle satisfy these six pairs of corresponding parts, then we can say that the triangles are similar. From the diagram, we can say that A corresponds to vertex D, vertex B corresponds to E, and vertex C corresponds to F. Children, in similarity, 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles is very important, right? So, but every time it is not possible to get all these six pairs of corresponding parts of two triangles. In 9th standard, we have obtained certain criteria in congruence of triangles. Do you remember that? Yes, side criteria, side criteria, angle side angle criteria. Right. So same way here also we will make an attempt to find certain criterias involving less number of pair of corresponding parts of two triangles, so that we can make two triangles similar. So let us see what are those criterias. So symbolically, how we write this similarity? So we write the similarity of these two triangles as triangle ABC. This is the sign of similarity, children. See, this is sign of similarity, similar to triangle DF, and we can read it as triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Understood? Now after this we will see what are the different criteria for any two triangles to be similar. So the first criteria is angle similarity criteria. So let us see what is that. So here are two triangles. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar by angle criteria. Now how to write? So here angle B, see, from the identical markings or the measures are given, from that we can say angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, right? So therefore third angle is automatically equal to the third angle of other triangle by angle sum property of triangle. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by angle criteria. So this is the first criteria in which we need minimum two angles of one triangle should be equal to the corresponding two angles of the other triangle. Understood? Okay. Now the next criteria is side criteria. So in this criteria, if in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional, that is in the same ratio the sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are similar by SSS criteria. Now let us see how to take the ratio. So here in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we'll take the ratios one by one. So you have AB upon DE. Measures are given. What will be AB upon DE? 3 upon 4.5. If you simplify, you will get its simplified ratio as 2 upon 3. Now second ratio you take BC upon EF. Take the ratio 6 upon 9. Again simplify. The answer is 2 upon 3. And the third ratio AC upon DF. 8 upon 12. On simplification, you will get it as 2 upon 3. That means all the three sides are in proportion with the corresponding three sides of the other triangle. So therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS criteria. Now the third criteria is side angle side criteria. So here are two triangles. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar by SAS criteria. Okay, so here you may observe that AB upon DE 2 upon 3 and AC upon DF again 2 upon 3, right? So these two sides, they are proportional with the corresponding two sides of the other triangle, and the angle A which is included between these two sides is equal to angle D of the other triangle. So two sides and the included angle. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SAS criteria, right? So these are three very important criteria for the similarity of two triangles. So now we can start our exercise 6.3, and the question number 1 is very simple. There you have given pair of triangles. The measures are also given. Just by observing the figure, you have to state by which criteria the triangles are similar, and also write the pair of corresponding parts. Okay, the question is state which pair of triangles are similar, write the similarity criteria, and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So first pair here, very simple. Just by observing the diagram, you can state by which criteria they are similar. So here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P, both 60 degree. Angle B is equal to angle Q, both 80 degree, and C is equal to R, 40 degree. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by angle criteria, or simply you can say by angle criteria. If two angles are equal, then third is automatically equal. Now next pair of triangles, ABC and PQR. So now let us see by which criteria they are similar. So here, if I take the ratio of corresponding sides in triangle ABC and PQR, you take AB upon QR. Children, 1-1 correspondence is very important. So AB upon QR. Here it is AB. So that you will get 2 upon 4 on simplification 1 by 2. BC upon PR. 2.5 upon 5, simplify, again the ratio is 1 by 2, and CA upon PQ, 3 upon 6, again ratio 1 by 2. So you will observe that all the three ratios of corresponding sides are equal. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. 1-1 correspondence. AB is corresponding to QR. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP by SSS criteria. Now third pair of triangles. So here two sides and included angle is given. So let us see in triangle MNL and triangle QPR. ML upon QR. ML is 2.5 upon 5 on simplification, ratio 1 by 2, and second ratio MN upon PQ, 5 by 10. So the ratio is 1 by 2. So two pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion, and the angle included between them, that is angle M, is equal to angle Q. So two sides and included angle means which criteria? Side angle side. So therefore triangle MNL similar to triangle, see 1-1 correspondence, MNL similar to QPR, right? So by SAS criteria. Understood? So children, there are some more pair of triangles given. I want you to complete that homework. So you just have to state the test, nothing else, and you write the corresponding sides and angles. So that's all for today's lesson, children. We'll meet in the next lesson. Till then, goodbye.